Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to explain about how to use the main iPad Pro and iPad multitasking functions, including split view, split screen, slide over and picture in picture. Here I'll explain the step by process on everything, like how slide over and split view and use picture in your iPad, drag and drop an iPad, multitasking gestures and shortcuts, and iPad multitasking in different iPad. I'll explain these things. Please keep watching this video. As per our discussion, I'll explain here. The first one is how to use slide over on your iPad. For this, slide over on iPad allows you to open a second app on top of the app you already using. The second app will cover about a third of your iPad screen. To open the slide over, open an app on your iPad and tap the multitasking icon at the top of the window. Tap the slide over icon and the window will shift to the side, revealing the home screen. Tap the app you would like to open behind your slide over window. Another way to open slide over is to open your main app, then drag a second app from the dock onto the screen. You can move the second app around your screen by placing your finger on the multitasking icon at the top and dragging into the left arm. To dismiss the slide over window, swipe to the edge of your iPad screen. Swipe from the gray arrow across the screen to show the slide over window again. To exit slide over view, untap the multitasking icon and select the full screen mode. Now I will explain here how to use split view on iPad. For this, first step is open an app and tap the multitasking icon at the top of the window. Tap the split view icon and the window will shift to the side, revealing the home screen. Tap your second app to open it in split view mode. You can tap the multitasking icon and drag a tab to switch position on your screen display. You can also resize your app windows by dragging the app divider to the left or right. To exit split view, tap the multitasking icon in the window you wish to keep open. Tap the full screen icon. Now here I will explain how to use picture in picture on your iPad. For this, first step is while watching a video in a compatible video player or during a FaceTime call, swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open picture in picture. From here, you can touch the picture in picture screen and drag it to a new position. To hide the video, drag it to the edge of the screen. Tap the arrow icon to make the video repair. Pinch your thumb and index finger together to make the picture in picture screen smaller. Pull them apart to make the screen larger. To return to the full screen, tap the picture in picture icon. Now here I will explain how to drag and drop an iPad. For this, first step is place and hold your finger on a piece of content such as an image or text selection until it pops out slightly. Drag your selection into the other app and drop it where you want to go. Here I will explain how to drag and drop multiple items in a split view or slide over. For this, first step is tap and hold on one image to pop up it out and drag it slightly to the side and keep holding the image. With your other hand, tap the other images you want to add the first. A badge will appear in the top corner of the bundle, letting you know how many pics of content you have selected. If you are using a split view or a split screen, you can drag the content from one app to other open app. Now I will explain iPad multitasking gestures and shortcuts. With the debut of iPad Pros with the home button, Apple introduced new gestures to the iPad, including a new way to open the iPad app switcher. The old iPad gesture using for 4 fingers to pinch apps closed and swipe between apps also still work. Here now I will explain how to use the iPad app switcher. For this, to open the app switcher, simply swipe up from the bottom to the center of the screen and hold your finger then until app switcher appears. iPads with a home button can still also open the app switcher by pressing the home button twice. You can tap an app window to open it. You can also swipe up an app window to close it and stop it from running in the background. Swipe left or right to find the app you are looking for.